breaking news coming in. The Delhi police's fast reaction on the Supreme Court order. Delhi cops call it a fair order. Delhi police has welcomed the top court's order today. The Delhi police has given a statement saying that this is a fair order, even as Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam continue to stay in jail, while the other 5 accused have been granted bail. The Supreme Court making a very, very interesting observation that liberty is not absolute, but saying that once the protected witnesses have been examined, the Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam can also once again file a fresh bail application. Let's listen in to the statement coming in from the Delhi police.
Important verdict from the Supreme Court of India today in the Delhi riots larger conspiracy case, where the court has denied bail to 2 accused, Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid, while allowing bail to 5 other accused in the case. We're speaking to Advocate Rajat Nair, who's a special public prosecutor in the Delhi riots cases and somebody who's handled the matters both before High Court and Supreme Court. Sir, as somebody who's represented the Delhi police extensively in this case, your first reaction to today's verdict and key takeaways from today's Supreme Court judgment, according to you?
See, it's a very, very fair verdict. In fact, the reasoning given by the Honorable Supreme Court will enlighten us in all other cases, because this is a landmark judgment. This judgment has paved way and given clarity in how the UAPA Act has to be applied in various matters where there are accused who are languishing in jail for a considerable period of time. The key takeaway is that Supreme Court has very clearly held that delay is not a trump card. People who have done overt act, who have challenged the sovereignty and integrity of the country, they cannot be enlarged on bail only on the ground of delay. So delay is not a trump card. The gravity of the offense, their conduct, the evidence available against them has to be seen, and only thereafter it has to be decided whether bail is to be granted to them on the touchstone of 21 rights or not.
So interestingly, the verdict has come in days after we saw a letter from the newly elected New York mayor for Umar Khalid being released, and now the top court has refused to grant him bail. Also becomes important because, firstly, your comment to this entire situation regarding the letter, and secondly, do you think this supplements what the Delhi police argument has been in this case since the beginning, that the intention of the accused, as you have argued, the intention of the riots, the intention of the protest that was held in 2020 was to gain international attention?
See, first of all, first limb of your question, I am completely not surprised by these letters and all, because from day one, we have been experiencing a disinformation campaign. We have been experiencing barrage of media reports maligning the prosecution, terming prosecution as persecution, playing victim card. And today, we have been vindicated by the Honorable Supreme Court. Our arguments, our evidence was considered, examined threadbare by the Honorable Supreme Court. And thereafter, Supreme Court came to a conclusion that, yes, there is a prima facie case against them. And on the basis of that finding, the court has disallowed bail to the 2 main accused. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court has categorized the accused in 2 different categories. One are the main actors, one are the side actors. The side fiddles who have been termed as facilitators, they have been granted bail. But the main actors who have actually conspired, galvanized the entire movement, they have been denied bail because the gravity of the offense is very